One of the greatest challenges in ADC development is that only 1 out of every 4 to 5 ADCs successfully advances from phase 1 to phase 3 clinical studies. This is often due to the inappropriate optimization of linker payload designs and using a copy-paste approach with validated linker payloads. Our experience at Debiopharm has led us to develop a Trifecta Approach to generating optimized, fit-for-purpose ADCs that meet specific therapeutic objectives. This approach is based on strategic selection of targeted antibodies, proprietary linkers, and smart payload choices. The impact of choosing the right linker is often the most underestimated out of all the ADC components. It's not just a connector, but a key driver of the therapeutic effect. To make optimized fit-for-purpose ADCs, linker selection must be driven by antibody and payload selection, disease properties, and patient population characteristics. Over years of extensive ADC research, we built a range of linkers and linker payloads, which now constitute the MultiLINK Technology Suite. This suite includes a variety of linkers and linker payload options, allowing ADCs to be optimized for the specific clinical context. MLink Duo enables the simultaneous delivery of 2 different payloads from a single linker to reduce resistance when treating solid tumors. With 2 identical payloads, MLink Max DAR allows delivery of less toxic payloads at very high DAR, facilitating the use of safer payloads with distinct mechanisms of action. MLink High Sol even makes the delivery of highly lipophilic payloads possible. Its HydroShield is optimized to prevent high aggregation and unspecific uptake to maximize exposure and safety. MLink Select is designed to broaden the therapeutic window, giving a potent punch through selective and efficient payload release. MultiLINK technology is already being tested as an integral part of our first-in-class CD37 targeted ADC, now in clinical investigation for the treatment of acute myeloid leukemia and myelodysplastic syndrome. No matter what antibody you're researching, no matter what payload you're using, there's a MultiLINK linker that can help you build an optimized ADC based on the targeted disease and clinical context, maximizing the chance of clinical success. At Debiopharm, we offer more than ADC technology. We bring our multidisciplinary approach to ADC design through an experienced team, along with a strategic insight to help you select the optimal linker for your unique combination. Our MultiLINK Technology Suite is available for use in your lab. Reach out to explore the different ways we can evaluate your antibody's potential to be optimized with our linker and payload options. Let's accelerate innovation together for the benefit of patients who need it most.